jumped on the chance to come here to this mansion once I found out where the party was being held. But that doesn't mean I'm not lonely. When Joel said there would be girls at this party, I knew exactly what was going to happen. It doesn't take a math genius to know that I'd be the remainder. Again. Always hoped that some girl at a party would look past all the other boys and see me for who I am. I thought this night would be a total bust in a long line of disappointments. No girl, no ghost. I couldn't stand being around them at their little circle jerk soiree, so I came into this kitchen to sample some of this secret brew I found earlier. But this isn't about me. Please, continue, miss. Right. Still a very lovely name. What was it like being a flapper? I find that hard to believe. I mean, even after all these years, you were the most gorgeous woman I've ever laid eyes on. Pardon? You do? I'd like to be with you too, but I'm not sure how that could work. Really? How? No, absolutely not. How could you ask me such a thing? I can't. I shouldn't. No, I won't. We are soulmates. I feel it like you do, but... But why can't the other spirits here do it? Okay, but how? What can I use? Hello, sir. Can I help you? What's that you've got there?
Hey, B-boy, where you been? We need 4 players for... Hey, what's that you got there?
Joel! Bruce, what's wrong? It's okay. You can tell us what's wrong. Put the axe down. Tell us what's going on. Joel!
We're not joking, dude. Drop that axe.
Joel, don't raise your voice. Bruce, put the axe down. Bruce, put the axe down. Oh my God!
to oppose American might, like we deal with any mad animal. Kill them all. Kill them all. Kill them all.
Where are you going, Jolty boy? You all ran off before we could finish what was started back in the parlor. I see you've encountered the house's residents. They're okay with strangers coming here and causing a ruckus, but the estate demands a fee from visitors. What's the fee? I'm glad you asked.
Kill them all. Kill them all.